Been a while since I uploaded, but I finally got a couple of these darn bags here. 2 Ipsy bags. I just wanted to come share what I got and chat a little bit, I guess. I don't know. I guess life just happens as a mom. You know, I want to keep uploading on a regular, at least put out one video a week. It just gets hard. Summer and the kids. I've been trying to get my nieces and nephews more. It's hard, but I want to at least pop in, say hi, give a little update, whatever. Man, it's beautiful out. It's actually really, really, really beautiful out today. I went to the park, brought the kids to the park today. We've been just going to the park, like, I've had the kids since Memorial Day. Better for me this year than it was these most recent years. I didn't bawl my eyes out. I didn't lose it. I was calm. I brought the flowers there. We cleared up the graves for my mom, my dad, my sister. Just visited, you know, the family's graves. Like, I have a lot of family that's passed on. And, yeah, I don't know. It was nice to go and even just to remember, you know, to go to the grave and have a memory. I feel like it really helped me. And I had my kids with me, you know, my Kevin and my Carmen were with me, and a couple of nephews, and it was alright. It wasn't as bad as it was last year or the year before. Here's the bag. Get 2 Ipsys. I still didn't get my Ipsy+ yet. It's really cute. It's a little glittery. It's kind of like, feels like sandpaper, honestly. Little tassel on it. It says Ipsy right there. And they come with these little, what does it say? Keep your head in the clouds and walk barefoot in the grass. Believe in the power of lipstick, but know that your glow comes from within. Throw caution to the breeze. Embrace your windblown hair. Buy flowers for yourself. Write love notes to your friend. Wake up to watch the sunrise. Sneak back under the covers. Hashtag Ipsy Dream. And then the inside just has the product, so I'll just go in order. The first product is Bella Pierre Cosmetics Translucent HD Finishing Powder. This mica-based powder mattifies your skin, sets your makeup, and creates an even shine-free finish. Living that cruelty-free lifestyle, Bella Pierre Cosmetics has your back. Like all of their formulas, this finishing powder is totally vegan and all natural. Nice big powder. I mean, it's not even has my little puff. I wonder if it has like a shine to it. I don't have makeup on today. What can I say? No excuses. The next product is this Pixie by Petra H2O skin drink. It says founded by a working mom of 4. That's pretty cool. Pixie by Petra. It says it's all about products that make multitasking easy, made with healthy ingredients like green tea, aloe vera, and rosemary extract. This skin-quenching gel formula cools, refreshes, heals, and protects skin. You can pop into your fridge overnight when you're 5 a.m. It'll help to depuff your skin. It is gel. It is jelly-like. It feels alright too. It feels good. Feels like a gel formula, so whatever. Has the same scent as the that glow tonic. Next thing we got, it's a pigment. It says Naked Cosmetics Loose Pigment in Painted Canyon. Naked Cosmetics products are made without fillers like oils, wax, or talc that can be damaging to your skin. Update your smoky eye with this charcoal burgundy flecked shade. It's highly pigmented, finely milled, and blends out easily with your fingers or a brush. I don't know. I would have liked to have like a neon color or something. If they make neon colors, I would have rather had something like that. Now we got this Ofra Cosmetics Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Versailles? I don't know. Right there. It says this brand's known for hypoallergenic makeup with skincare benefits. Made with nourishing vitamin A, this lip color hydrates and protects your lips every time you apply. Metallic rose gold color that's smudge proof, transfer proof, and wears all day.
Ooh, that's pretty.
I don't have a tissue with me, so I'll blot with my baby's pepper. I don't know, I don't really like metallic stuff, so there's that. Last one is, I was kind of giggling about the name of this. It's Sistar Cosmetics. It's You Skin Perfecting HD Concealer in Ivory. It says, Echo Chic, we got you. All of Sistar Cosmetics formulas are naturally derived and cruelty-free. This full coverage concealer helps camouflage dark circles, spots, and discolorations while blurring out anything you want to cover up, all without creasing. Who's behind this brand? James Charles. And it says it's you on it. It's you. HD Concealing and Sistar. What is going on in the world today? Ivory. So let's just try a little bit of that. I like the wand. That's a cute little wand. Ever a cute little wand. Let's use this. You can throw some up here too. See like it kind of dries down quick. Let me see a little bit more on it. Bring it down some more. Hey Sistar, I used your concealer. The Sistar concealer.
Oh my gosh, sakes. What's gonna be next? The brow bar?
Oh hey, I could try some of this powder, I suppose. Let's check it out. Brother, Sistar. I don't like a bunch of powder, so
I'll show you little pieces.
I don't usually like powder. Might as well try it since I'm here. It doesn't feel drying or anything, so I wish they'd send us like a bronzer. Fenty stuff. Give me one of the new Fenty bronzers. So yeah, that's Bella Pierre. Oh, I forgot to use this little puff. Oh, there's the powder. So there's the first bag. Alright, second bag, same thing. First product. A Bad Gal Bang. Benefit Cosmetics. Volumizing Mascara. Lightweight formula is made with super light aero particles. It won't weigh on your lashes. No lash will be left uncoated. The brush is slim and designed to grab onto every lash from root to tip, even those tiny, hard to reach inner corner lashes. Ow!
Seriously? Sorry?
Hopefully without poking myself in the eyeball. I don't know. I don't have barely any lashes. Like my lashes are so short. But they did kind of make them longer. Here's the mascara. Nature's Cartel multi-purpose stick in global. But it's like glow, BAL. Awakening, #1. Nature's Cartel is all about non-toxic, cruelty-free products. This shimmery pinky color stick is so versatile. You can use it as a highlighter, eyeshadow, and a lip color. Plus it leaves a touch of natural looking warmth wherever you apply. I suppose it's like a highlighter. It's pretty shimmery. See that shimmer? It's like metallic. And then I use that powder. Powder or not, that's what I'm here for. I like that. Kind of like that. Brought back all my glow. So next we got Laboratories Bilorga Time Filler Absolute Correction Wrinkle Cream. Is this OG skincare brand? I never heard of it. Sorry, but this OG skincare brand is the first French aesthetic medicine laboratory. In other words, they know skincare. This formula is made from a blend of powerful peptides and hyaluronic acid to help visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles and even out the texture of your skin. Well, I will try that. Save that for my skincare routine. Next it says the Beauty Crop bronzer. Oh, there's a bronzer. Bronzer in Sardinia sand. Inspired by healthy living and natural ingredients, this brand utilizes plant-based ingredients and natural oils in all their products. This cool tone bronzer gives you a sun-kissed glow, blends easily, and is made with antioxidant rich green tea extract to nourish your skin. And on the bottom it says not for resale. People be really trying to sell these stuff. Wouldn't stop me. I mean, what would you sell something like this for anyway? $1, $2? Okay, so the Beauty Crop. Open her up. Ooh, that's a pretty color. And then the last thing we have in here is Estate Cosmetics Lip Icing in Drip. Ooh, that's pretty. All of Estate Cosmetics products are cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free. Our beauty editors are seeing glassy lip glosses everywhere, and this sheer pink birthday cake scented yum glaze has all the shine you could want with none of the stickiness. It does smell like icing. That feels good too. There's my 2 Ipsy bags. I got that lip stuff, I got that shine stuff, got the bronzer, the cream, and the Bad Gal Bane, which I almost poked my eyes out in. So yeah, I guess that's it. Needed this little time for myself, just to open up my Ipsy bags, and I'm enjoying my summer. Kids are enjoying the summer. Oh my God, Carmen is gonna be going to Head Start. So they're having a summer program, like a pre-Head Start course, and I signed him up for it. So my Carmen's gonna be in school, and I'm freaked out. I don't know what to do. But he needs to go to school. He's ready. He needs to go. He needs this. I don't want him to go, but I have to let him go. So, yeah, I just can't believe how fast everything is going. He's such a big boy with them growing up, but he's ready. I'm just gonna throw some of this on my eyelids. He's ready to go. He wants to go. I might as well let him go out and learn. Spread his beautiful little wings, I'll be sad, I'll be lonesome for him, but I'll be here waiting for him. Maybe this mommy will find herself something to do. It's just gonna be different not having my little sidekick next to me. I know what I can do. I'll be able to go visit my grandma more often. I'll spend my time wisely. Go see my Grammy. I signed him up today thanks to my cousin. I seen my cousin walking in there, and I got nosy, and sure enough, the Carmen's gonna be in school with his little cousin anyway. Let me know if you're interested in getting a bag. You can use my code and earn me some charms. But yeah, that's it for now. This mommy got to go. God bless. See y'all later. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. Gotta go. Thank you for watching. Bye.